In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a classic word search puzzle. We'll use a simple CSV file to quickly generate puzzles. This is the easiest way to get started and understand how the puzzle generator works. From the main screen, select the classic word search generator. This opens the editor where you can create and customize your puzzle. The classic word search uses a comma-separated file as input. This file contains your puzzle title, subtitle, hidden sentence, and word list. Using a CSV allows you to quickly create and manage multiple puzzles at once. An example file is included with the app. You can open this file to see exactly how your puzzle data should be structured. Open the CSV file in Excel or a similar program. Here you'll see how each row defines a puzzle, including the title, subtitle, hidden sentence, and words. Each column represents one puzzle. The first rows contain the title, subtitle, and hidden sentence. The remaining rows contain the words that will appear in the grid. You can edit these values to create your own custom puzzles. You can update the text with your own titles and word lists. You can also add more columns to create multiple puzzles in one file. Once you're done editing, save the file as a CSV. Make sure the format stays as a standard comma-separated file. Back in the app, click Drop CSV or select your file. This loads your puzzle data into the generator. After uploading, your puzzle content appears in the editor. You can now review and adjust settings before generating the puzzle. Adjust settings such as grid size, layout, and word directions. For example, you can control whether words are placed horizontally, vertically, or diagonally using the directions option. These settings determine how your puzzle looks and how the words are placed in the grid. After loading your CSV and adjusting the settings, preview the puzzle in the editor. The app places the words into the grid using your CSV file and the current settings. Preview the puzzle and check the layout. Make sure all words are placed correctly and the puzzle looks balanced. If needed, you can adjust the word list or settings and regenerate the puzzle. This helps you fine-tune the final result. You can then use it for print or digital products, such as books or downloadable puzzles. In this example, we export the 3 puzzles directly into a PowerPoint file, which you can further edit and save as a PDF file. You've now created your first classic word search puzzles. This workflow makes it easy to create multiple puzzles quickly using CSV files.